This is one of the most impactful projects we have ever taken on. In Maradi, Niger, we're building a water system that's going to deliver 40,000 liters of water every day, and it's going to serve 3,000 people. It's so difficult to understand not only the size and magnitude of 3,000 people, but it's also really difficult to understand what it's like to not have access to clean water. Art has helped support and build the entire infrastructure for this project. The works of Espinoza and our patrons from the Elysian art collection are what helped put this project together. Through art, we have created real change, and it's serious change. It's change for 3,000 people of one of the most fundamental needs that people have, and it's clean water. We're so proud to be able to make such a change in people's lives.